Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Oliver Renick, here to take you through the market action. Despite weak economic data that came out early from durable goods as well as a consumer confidence reading, Treasury bonds sold off. Yields rose. Stocks were mixed, held up by tech and the Mag 7, with the NASDAQ 100 up 1%. S&Ps closed up about 70 basis points. The Dow and the Russell were relatively flat, with small caps a bit weak, but bouncing intraday. Let's take a look at some of the sectors that worked and a few that didn't. Consumer staples were down 60 bips. No one's losing any sleep over that. Comm services up 1.4%, tech up 1.25%, and healthcare also 1% higher. Apple rose to a new high after Wedbush analyst Dan Ives' new note cited strong holiday season ahead as his reason for not changing anything. The price target is still $300. The outperform rating is still a buy. Apple's still up 33% on the year, and it ticked on another 78 cents today. And MicroStrategy debuted on the NASDAQ 100 index today. To little fanfare, shares fell 8.8%. The crypto giant revealed it purchased more than 5,000 Bitcoins last week, worth approximately $561 million. To date, MicroStrategy's total Bitcoin count surpassed 444,000, with an average purchase price north of 62K USD per coin. Meanwhile, Bitcoin prices dropped about 3.5% on Monday. Instead, it was semiconductors that shined. NVIDIA led the Dow Jones with a 3.7% advance, and Qualcomm jumped to 3.5% after a favorable legal victory against ARM Holdings. And Rosenblatt named AMD and Micron among its top picks for the first half of 2025. After hitting 52-week lows on Friday, AMD added 4.5% on Monday. There's not a lot on the schedule, especially now that some data arrived early. The New York Stock Exchange will close at 1 p.m. Eastern in observance of the Christmas Eve holiday. But don't fret, Schwab Network will be live all morning long. Be sure to tune in. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Oliver Renick. Remember, for 24/7 financial news coverage, head to schwabnetwork.com.